Lost people. It's Dave with Lost Farms Homestead. I'm out here at the homestead in town right now. It is Wednesday. We did not do a video this weekend. We took some time last week and celebrated the Passover, and it is currently right now at sunset will be the end of the Passover holiday of the week. But we were celebrating over the weekend and taking care of some other things, and I did get a little bit of stuff done around here, but yeah, we did not do a video, so I'm gonna call this a Wednesday short. We're just gonna do a quick garden update. So here you can see we painted, so it's all white now. I got it painted, and the reason why I painted it is because the sun was destroying the wood out here. I had some cracks going on. I filled the cracks in before we painted, so it's not too bad. But I wanted to get it covered before it did any more damage to the wood out here. So we did that. Also, I put up one run of shade cloth right here that goes all the way down this one run. You can see it down to the end. It covers this whole area right here in the mornings, so that's good. So it only gets like the noonday and then kind of towards the end, but I'm gonna work my way this way and cover the whole thing, but that's as far as I've gotten up to this point. So as far as the garden update, this is where we're at here. This is the beans, and you can see I got some sprouts coming up. Not a whole lot, but they're coming up. They're looking pretty all right. I'm happy with it, so I'm not gonna be upset about that. Can't be too upset about that. It's pretty good. So I'm expecting that they're gonna come up and just cover these whole things and then just turn into giant bushes. So I'm hoping that's what I get. And I've got 8 different kinds of beans in here. I planted one down this side and then one down this side all the way down, and I've got 4 of these, so there should be 8 types, and they'll be split half and half. So we'll see how those do, but they look pretty good right now. I'm pretty happy with how they're looking right now. So, and then this is the tomatoes. The tomatoes are doing excellent. I'm very happy with the tomatoes. They're looking really good. And these are the smaller ones that I had that were just little bitty ones, and they're doing pretty good. And I've got them tied up here with these. I've got these little cables here, the string, and then I got these little hook thingies on here, the plastic ones, and they hold it up pretty good. They do pretty good, and I'm happy with it, and they're looking pretty good. I've got some of them out here. These ones, there's a couple of them that I just transplanted recently, and they got a little bit of shock, but they're coming back. They're looking better than they did when I planted them, so I'm expecting that eventually they'll come back. These 2 here look the same as those 2 when I planted them, and they've come back really good, and they're doing really good right now. So, and then yeah, these ones here also got some shock. And this guy, this one was a volunteer. We have sometimes we feed the chickens just scraps of vegetable and whatever, and we had fed them some tomato, and apparently it went through the whole, chicken system, and whatever came out the butt and then rolled out here. And when we were washing the concrete slab, it got pushed out and it just started growing out here. So we let it get, I just transplanted it like 3 days ago, so it got pretty big out there, wherever it was at, and it's doing good. No real shock. I got a little bit of yellow on the leaf here. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like it's doing pretty good, so I'm not really too worried about that. I'm about to start watering them here in a minute. I'm waiting for the sun to get a little bit lower. Once it gets a little bit lower, I'm gonna water them real quick, and then I'll go back inside. But anyways, and then so here, these are tomatillos, and they're doing really good. They were looking a little pecked when I put them in first time too, so but they're doing good. And then these here, this is Walla Walla onions right here. I think there's like 8 or 9 of them in here, something like that. So, and then I got a jalapeno here, And then this one I think is this is just like gypsy peppers, sweet peppers. And then that's a poblano, and that one's an Anaheim. And those two, when I put them in, they had fruit on them when I put them in the ground, and like immediately they put all of their energy into the fruit, and all their leaves fell off, and then the fruit just like shriveled up and fell off, and I think they just got shocked and like freaked out or whatever. But you can see I've got new growth coming in right here, and they're gonna grow back, and they'll come back and they'll take off. It just takes a little while for them to, you know, get established and then come back, but they'll come back. So, and then also I planted a line of onion. There's white onion all the way down the edge outside right here to the middle, and then from there that way is a bunch of red onion. There's like, I think there's like 15 or 20 onions in there down that run, and then I got a bunch of garlic going right in front here all the way down. So they haven't popped up yet, but they should here shortly. I only put them in the ground like 2 or 3 days ago, so we'll see how they do. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with this right now. I'm liking the tomatoes. They're doing really good, and the beans are looking good. So that looks pretty good to me. I'm happy with it. Yep, looks good. Can't wait to get the other beds in and then get this thing finished up. Yeah, it's a process. So anyways, so I'm gonna call it right there. We're gonna be heading to the ranch this weekend. We're gonna go up there and camp out for the night and do some work. I think we're gonna try and build a shower up there, because we have the one that's inside of the building, but that building's kind of fallen down and it's not really safe to be in there. So we're gonna build a separate one, like a standalone, and actually put the whole system in it so that it's ready, just so that we have a place to get clean while we're up there working. And I think the next thing that we're gonna do up there is we're gonna fence in an orchard area, and Hope's already collecting trees and bushes to put in there, so I need to get that going pretty quickly. But we'll see how we end up with that. So, because I still got this garden here, and I still got the shower here that I'm working on, and whatever else, but we'll see where we end up. So that's where I'm at right now. Garden update, Wednesday short. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe. Look for us Monday. We're going to be up on the ranch, and I'll be dropping a video, so watch for that. Thanks.